This is what to do when a guy texts you after a long time. You used to have a guy. Now he is out of your life, and because of that you choose to move on. Your life is going well. But then he reappears. When guys suddenly text you after a long time of being a goner, it caught you by surprise. What people don't know is this moment is a make it or break it moment in relation to your relationship with him. This is why you need to follow what to do when a guy texts you after a long time. 1. Know their position in your life first. Is he your ex, crush, friend, or more? Keep this fact in mind before you make any moves. 2. Know what kind of relationship you want with them. Do you want to be friends with them, or do you want a romantic relationship? Know the dangers and boundaries for being friends with an ex. 3. Know a little bit about them first. General facts you need to know are their relationship status, current work, and current project or activity. 4. Don't open up right away. Opening up yourself mentally right away is never the right thing because you might regret it later. 5. Compose yourself. According to the benefits of being alone for your physical and mental health, being alone and giving your time to breathe will lead you to better choices. 6. Know what type of text they are sending you. Is it a romantic text, a text to ask for a favor, or a friendly text? See what they are talking about in the text. 7. Ask about their intention. If you're not much of a reader, simply ask them about their intention gently to make yourself know. 8. Be friendly. Despite the emotion you have with them, being friendly is the #1 priority in handling anyone. 9. Don't bring back the past. It's never a good idea to bring back the dark past. It's better to stay here and talk about the current moment. 10. Be helpful. Are they asking you of something? Help out if you can, but also set your boundaries with him. 11. Cut it short. If you don't want further relationship with them, it's better to cut it short by stating that you are busy. 12. Don't imagine a future. Ladies, never get your hopes high just because of one text. It doesn't define him at all. If you do this, you won't be easily hurt. 13. Don't be rude to them. Being rude to them by calling them names or being angry is simply immature and the signs of a psycho ex-girlfriend. 14. Don't be nosy on their personal life. Wanting to know too much information on their personal life will either get you hurt or make you look bad. 15. Keep some distance. It's important to keep your distance still so that you have a clear perspective. Tips to talking with a guy that reappears in your life. 16. Observe their way of texting you. Are they flirting or are they simply being friendly? Notice it to know how you should reply. 17. Don't spill too much emotion to them. Being too much emotional is immature and it will make things awkward. 18. Never brag about your personal life. Bragging might be your ways to make your ex-boyfriend jealous on WhatsApp, but you should not do it. 19. Be a bit mysterious. Don't spill out too many information in order to be mysterious. 20. Stay on topic. Staying on topic keeps the conversation neat and on course.